Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got a treat for you. 5 modern TV unit design that will transform your living room into a sleek and stylish space. Firstly, let's talk about the minimalistic marvel. This design is all about keeping things simple and practical. Imagine a sleek and low profile TV unit with clean line and a touch of elegance. That is what you are talking about. It is perfect for people who want their living room to look modern and neat without a lot of stuff laying around. If you are someone who appreciates a clean and tidy space, this design is definitely for you. It's add a touch of clean to your living room while making sure it stay clutter free. So if you love the idea of modern and minimalistic look, the minimalistic marvel is the way to go. Introducing the floating elegance design. Your TV unit is gracefully mounted on the wall, instantly adding a touch of modern flair to your living room. What's great about this design is that it does not just look good, it is a genius space saver too. By keeping the TV unit off the floor, it creates a sleek, uncluttered vibe while also making your room appearance larger than it is. Perfect for cozy living space, the floating elegance design brings both style and practically to the table. So if you are aiming for a contemporary feel and want to maximize your room visual space, this design is a must consider for your next level room upgrade. Now let's dive into the multifunctional magic design. Imagine having furniture that does not more than one things. Pretty cool. Well, this TV unit is like a superhero in design. It is not just a place for your TV, it is also got these clever bullet-in storage space. Picture it's like having secret compartments to stash away your stuff, making your living room look neat and tidy. It is like solving two problems with one stylish solution. So you get a sleek spot for your TV and at the same time you conquer the clutter. That is what we call a win-win situation, making your space look good and keeping it organized effortlessly. How awesome is that? Get ready to spice up your living room with the industrial chic design. If you are into a bullet of edge style, this perfect for you. Imagine using raw materials like metals and adding a rugged charm to your space. It gives off a urban modern feel that is bold and welcoming. This design does not just decorate, it transforms your living room into a cool and inviting heaven. So, if you want your space to have that extra oomph, go for industrial chic. It is all about bringing the city vibe right into your living room, making it the coolest spot in your home. Embrace the edge, modern look, and lets your living room stand out. Last on our list is Smart Tech Hub design. It is like bringing the feature into your living room. Imagine a TV unit that is not just for watching show but also a high-tech buddy. This design comes with cool stuff like bullet-in charging spot for your gadgets. So no more hunting for outlets, plus you can change the room vibe with fancy LED lights. It is perfect for folk who love gadgets and want their living room to be a tech-friendly space. With the Smart Tech Hub, your living room becomes a modern super convenient hub for all things techy and trendy. And there you have it, 5 modern TV unit design in inspire your living room transformation. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating.